Hey guys, it's me, Risa. So I just wanted to show you a really quick, easy, delicious, healthy meal option for lunch, for brunch, for breakfast, for dinner, for after or before a workout. I had some leftover zucchini noodles and I thought, what can I make with it? And I thought of an easy omelet. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a really fast, delicious recipe, okay? So as I said, I had some zucchini noodles, and you can see there are some chunks because you can't usually spiralize all of it, so I never throw it out. I don't throw anything out. I added some green onions beforehand. You can use any onion if you want, just about a tablespoon or two. And I had some carrots, so I just cut that up if you want to add other vegetables, and just saute it on a medium heat. You can just put some spray, butter spray or olive oil spray, whatever spray you want. And then the Simply egg whites, I'm using about a cup, 3/4 of a cup or so. And I'm just adding that in. Okay, and I like to just let it sit for a few minutes and just cook up the egg whites. And I'm just going to get my spatula here that I like to just go along the sides, and you want it on a medium heat because you don't want to burn it, okay? And I just love omelets because they're filling and you can add so many different ingredients. The other thing that I'm going to add right now is a little bit of some pepper, just a drop, and I'm using this garlic plus seasoning that I love, okay, from Clubhouse, just a sprinkle or so. And if there's other seasonings that you like, you can add those as well, all right? So, there's just so many. You could add some fresh basil. You could add oregano, Italian seasoning, roasted red pepper seasoning, which I love as well. Okay, and then of course, I love some cheese, and I have my favorite Zerto, and I also have a Tex-Mex. So you can use, and this is in Canada, but I know you can find whatever kind or brand rather that you have wherever you live. So you can see that this is cooking up really nicely, and for a cup it's a lot. It's nice and big. All right, so you can keep it open face like this, or you can fold it over, and I just usually use a couple of tablespoons of some shredded cheese that I like to just put on. And I thought I would add a little bit of the Tex-Mex, about a tablespoon or so. Why not? And that's it. Really easy and simple. And then you can fold it over, or like I said, leave it like that. So I'm going to fold this baby over. And of course, I'm just going to turn this right down. I have a beautiful salad to go along with it because it's really important to get your veggies and fruits in. Look at that salad. So you can have whatever you want, but I had some nice raspberries, blackberries, apple, shredded carrot, cucumber, some yellow peppers, and I have romaine lettuce underneath. You could add anything you want to make, and look at the size of this bowl, people. It's a big, big salad, and whatever, I have lots of dressings that you can make yourself or put on. And if you want like a low carb option, you can make my bagels. You could make my buns. They're really easy, the microwave buns that I have on my YouTube channel, all right? So I hope you love this recipe. Easy, simple, delicious. I'm going to turn it off so it doesn't burn, and I'm going to enjoy this baby for my brunch right now. I just finished teaching, depending on when you're watching this, online. And again, it's versatile, and you can add whatever spices that you like or other vegetables that you like. And it's super healthy and delicious. And I can't wait to have this right now. So don't forget to comment below. If you change it up, comment below. Please share my recipes with everybody, all right? And we'll see you soon for lots and lots more ideas, recipes, tips, and strategies. Mwah! Bye for now.